guys, welcome back to the channel, back with another video on the Monster, the H2. That's a cool wrap. Going to a big car meet. I've been to the car meet before. It's Origins. They're having another pop-up and they're doing a bike meet, pre-meet, to go as a bunch of bikers, I guess, to the meet. I'll stay in the back so I don't lose anyone. Nice. I just broke off the nose guard in my helmet and now it's hanging. That was the shortest ride ever. I forgot this is not the R1. Oh, Popo. I can breathe so much better without the nose guard.
Oh my god, I just bought an S1000R this weekend, and this just puts it to shame.
R? You should have done a double R, man.
I know.
I'm messing with you. It's a good bike. It's a good bike. It's a good bike. Oh, that's a great first bike then.
Almost as good as this one.
Yeah, almost.
I love the motorcycle, bro.
Appreciate it, bro. What's up? Good, how are you? What? Leave where? What's up, bro?
Sick, buddy. Get ready to go. We're gonna go to Taco Run. Stop the diner. So just follow me. Okay, we're dipping out. We're not talking about.
Did my battery just die?
You imKay?
Yeah.
I watch your shit all the time.
Appreciate it, man. Yo, my battery's dead. I'm gonna go over there so I can run it. Huh? Nah, I think I got it. I'm just gonna go back there and run it. Nah, it should be fine. We'll see. Huh? Yeah. Yeah, nope. Nope. What the hell? The battery died. God damn, that was loud. Ever since this auto blooper, it's been a couple of problems with this bike. Huh? Alright, go. What the hell? The bike is not okay. I've never seen these before. ESD. I've literally never seen those before. And I have whatever that thing is. I need to read my manual and see what's up with those. I had an issue with my kickstand and now it's this. Last time when it died, it didn't give me any of these. Now I have a bunch of codes. Huh? Yeah, it just died again. Just straight. Straight?
No, go left, he's marked down.
Okay. Woo! I'm gonna head back. What an eventful night. I wonder if it's like because last time, like, it's died on me one time before, but it's because I like left my ignition running for a really long time. Like the engine was off and all the lights and accessories were on, and it never threw me these codes. I don't know what these are. I have to look them up.
Hey, come.
Cop is still there. I know. We have a McLaren behind us and a cop. And my bike died. I'm out of fuel. It's our Christmas show over here, guys. Well, initially that was fun. But then not so much. I hate when I have problems with my babies, but it happens, so we'll figure it out in the future, soon hopefully. Thanks so much for watching. Like, share, support. Catch you guys next time. Peace out. Ride safe.